To unlock this oven, because if I rotate it, it says safe, and on the other side it's not doing anything, it's showing safe. By the way, the model is shown here on the right side. There we can see some data. Okay, and to unlock it, take a look at that portion. We have a touch screen with 1, 2 and 3 buttons, and above is the display. And to unlock it, we have to press and hold the center and the right buttons. Press and hold the center button and the right button. Wait. And now it's unlocked. Now it's not beeping anymore. And you can use those also. So to lock it back, press and hold the center and the right button. Now it's locked. Now it's showing safe and it's beeping. It's not showing the temperatures. And press and hold the center. Wait. Now it's unlocked when it's showing the clock. Now it is unlocked.